Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Grand Theft Auto V in Android phone easy method. First, install a trusted cloud gaming app and sign into your account. Next, connect a Bluetooth controller and enable performance streaming in settings to lower lag. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is strong and close background apps to free bandwidth and CPU for smooth gameplay. Pick a cloud gaming service that offers low latency and nearby servers for the best GTA V experience. Look for 60 FPS streaming, controller remap support, and clear pricing so you avoid surprises. Link or log into your game account following the provider instructions and run a short stream test before committing to a long session to confirm stability and performance. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can bring more easy gaming tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting for game downloads pleasant with its glare-free screen and long battery life, perfect for reading mission guides or forums between races. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and if you find a bargain, grab it. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize your phone by enabling performance or game mode and disabling battery savers that reduce network speed. Close background apps, stop large downloads, and consider a phone cooler for long sessions to prevent thermal throttling. Use a fast charger with pass-through or a power bank if battery drain is high, and keep your device vents clear to maintain steady frame rates and input responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.